Heidi ho, everybody. I'm back. Little update. Try and make it quick. On the Halloween, the 2022 Halloween group build, being sponsored by Russell Model Cars. Earl and JD were going to help me with this update, and well, they're out cold. They got into the glue. They've been sniffing it all day, and so there's the state they're in. So I'm on my own again, but I got all four of these together. They went together pretty easy. Little bit of seam, your line cleanup where they seams go together, where they go together. Not too bad. Each one is about, I don't know, 15 to 20 parts, maybe less than 20 parts a piece. They all come with a base. These two definitely need to have their base. These two, they will stand on their own without the base, but the base definitely makes them much more stable. They don't tip over as easy. This guy here, the base, that was the base for it. It's a little small. His feet actually go off the edges. So I took some 40,000 styrene, mimicked this, only a little bit larger. It's somewhat close, and glued him onto that so he's a lot more stable. So got an extra base. And that's basically it. Got them all together, cleaned up all the seam lines and other little flashing things wherever there was a little extra. I may have missed a couple spots, but I'm not too worried about it. There are monsters. They're not perfect. They're imperfect. I think there's going to be a little story behind these guys. I will do that in the final. So y'all are going to have to wait in anticipation for what I come up with. On the instructions, there is a personal information on each of them. I will divulge that information when I do my final. But for now, here they are. They're all together. They're actually pretty cool. You know, they look, the picture on the bag, on the piece of paper in the bag, they look interesting. But once you get them together and all three-dimensional like that, they get even more interesting. I'm really digging these guys. So there we are. All I got to do now is figure out a bunch of colors and start getting them painted and give them each a little more personality than they already appear to have. Yeah, I like all these guys. Really cool. So anyway, that's where we're at. They're together, getting ready to go to painting, and soon we'll have 4 little monsters. So thanks for dropping by, everybody. Remember, if you're new or if you just found, go ahead and subscribe. That way you can come back and see some of the other whatever it is I do. And in the meantime, oh yeah, shop cards. Got to push the shop cards. I got a stack of them. I need to get rid of them. You people need junk mail. So if you want some junk mail, my email is in the description. It's down below this. Look in the description there. My email will be there. Contact me. Let me know you want some junk mail, and I will get a shop card out to you. Just give me your address, and I will make it happen. So again, thanks for dropping by, and until the next time, we'll catch you later. See ya.